This tutorial is going to present the features and functions of the Advanced Search page on the Natural Products Atlas website. The Advanced Search is designed to provide searching capabilities that go beyond the simple searches that are available in the basic search section, and it does this by offering a set of parameters which one can include, which one can add to with additional requirements if needed. The Advanced Search optionally includes a structure search component, and here one can add either full structures of compounds or substructures for inclusion as a search requirement. In addition, there are a number of different features here which include a wide array of different parameters from the Atlas database. So as an example, if we require a molecular weight greater than 500, we can then further filter that by requiring the genus to be an exact match to Streptomyces, and we can then apply this search. The search results give us almost 2,000 compounds which fit these requirements, and the results are presented here in a table at the bottom, which is paginated. We can increase the number of entries per page that we see. And this table includes a lot of additional information. All of these fields are currently check marked here. We can deselect all of these and then select only the elements which we are interested in displaying for a particular purpose. So in this instance, we might be interested in molecular weight and perhaps species. And we can now search these data and sort them using this table in order to identify compounds that are of highest interest. These results are all exportable using this button here, download results to TSV file, and that will download the results not just from a single page in this output, but all, in this case, 1,996 rows. And it will include all of the data which are included in this list here. Of course, from here you can also go and examine any of the compounds individually by going to their respective compound pages. And from here you can either connect to external databases such as MIBig if a link exists, or to the original isolation reference if you're so interested, which is another direct link out.